Hi guys! Today I'm creating a stylish, budget-friendly Father's Day towel gift basket. So let's get started. Okay guys, so these are the items I will be using for the gift basket. So I have some razors. There's two in the pack. And this is the ribbon that I will be using. It's 2.5 inches for the width. And this is a Dove body cream. And I have the men's Dove body wash. And I also have the deodorant to go with that. And I have a Red Bull. And all these products I got at the dollar store. So this is my towel that I will be using for the basket, and this is a Walmart towel. It's more like a bath sheet, but any bath towel will do. So I'm going to fold my towel in half, and then I'm going to fold it again. Then I'm going to fold it from one end to the next. And this part, you want to fold the towel loosely, not too tight, as you want enough room to be left to fit the products. Towel gift basket, guys, is just a real practical gift that Dad can actually use long after Father's Day. Plus, it's easy to customize with his favorite products. And another plus, you won't have another basket laying around the house. It's just a great, unique, non-traditional way to do the basket, and any dad will love this. I'm using this silver charger as a base for the basket, and it's also going to give it a nice look. So I'm now adding my folded towel to the charger. Next, I'm going to use my ribbon to tie a bow around the middle, and that is going to hold the towel in place. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you are enjoying the video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm adding some tissue paper to the middle as a filler and to also provide some height for the products. It's now time to start arranging the products, guys, and I like placing the taller items in the back and the smaller items towards the front to create a balanced look. I'm just going to continue adding my products, and at this stage you can always rearrange your products, guys, until you get the look that you're going for. So this is how it turned out, guys, and I really love it. So this simple arrangement is easy to put together without spending a lot of money, so it's very budget friendly. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. I appreciate your feedback. Let me know if this is something that you would try. You can leave your gift basket like this, but once you're happy with the arrangement, you can go ahead and wrap the entire gift basket with cellophane and secure it with a ribbon. I hope you enjoyed this DIY, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.